Hey guys, it's Rick here. I just want to make a little update video of my CM stacker and the cable management that I ended up getting on it. First, a look at the front here. I removed that the hideous chrome tape stuff that I had on there, so it's just kind of open, but oh well. We got our Sentry fan controller, DVD burner, and as you can see, it's pretty dusty. Fan controller for the Silverstone down there, and as you can see, I need to get some right angle SATA cables because it's kind of pushing out right there, but it's not a big deal. Moving on around, as you can see, got our 280mm fans up there, Ultra 120 Extreme, and G-Skill RAM. One of them's bad. I got an RMA. Got our 24-pin SATA cables here. About the best I could do with them. Around there. We got two Antec 120mm fans there. Those are wires for the CD drive. All of our other wires are all tucked up in here. I haven't run any of the probes or anything for the temperatures. They're just all sitting up there right now. So we got those. We got our hard drive cage turned around. All the other cables go in there, as you can see. And I got these two 120mm Antec fans here, kind of ghetto rigged on there, because I needed better cooling for my GTX 280, running it folding at home all the time. It's getting pretty warm. This drop temperature is a couple degrees overall. So I mean, it's not going nowhere. It's actually, I got some attached there, down there, and over there, and yeah, it's ghetto, but it works. We got all of our cables nicely routed. I haven't plugged in the front panel connectors because I got the buttons. So, and since my computer runs all the time, I really don't need any of that, but as you can see, I got our cables here, all going back there. So it turned out rather well, I think. Oh yeah, we ended up getting our 80mm fan up here, which does nothing really. And since the case is open, it really doesn't do much anyway, but I got all the fan wires hidden as much as I possibly could. This thing is dirty. Move around to the back. This is only like a temporary job that I did. The only one I actually secured fully was the 8-pin, which actually reaches all the way. I was surprised. As you can see, got some wires hidden back there. How this all, and the back panel did close until I put these two 120mm fans on here, and this is kind of sticking out, as you can see. But like I said, it's good enough, and we got all of our other stuff secured down here. Once I do my final go over with this one day, I'm gonna secure all these wires, but this is good enough for now. Got all of our wires back there with back fans. And everything up here secured down. And not sure if I can get this off of here to show you guys. Yeah, here we go. So as you guys can see, these are all tucked in here. Like that. It's very dusty, I apologize. I use these little SATA to Molex adapters, and then I need some right angle ones, but you guys can see, I mean, they're in there. So, it's just a little update of the rig, guys. And I hope you like it. Came out rather good, I think. It's about how it sits. Right there next to the old desk. So thanks for watching, guys, and more videos to come. And if you have any suggestions for anything here, let me know. You know, I'm always open for suggestions and help. If you guys need anything, let me know. And I will talk to you guys later.